Hi everyone, have you ever felt like this? You can understand English movies, you can understand English content, podcasts, songs, but when it's your time to speak English, your mind suddenly goes blank. If that sounds familiar to you, you are not alone. So, in this video, I'm gonna tell you why this happens and what you can do to speak English confidently. So, let's get started. First is you are learning English passively. Many people spend hours watching English movies, English content, podcasts. There are many things they are watching. That is good for understanding English. But here is the problem. Listening is not speaking. Imagine you are watching cricket every day. Will that make you automatically a great cricketer? Of course not. You have to learn batting and bowling to become a great cricketer, right? Similarly, in the case of speaking English, you must practice every single day. Then only you can learn. So, try to speak every day, or you can say that try to speak more and more. If input is important, but output is equally important. So just do that practice. With listening, try to speak also. And second thing is fear of making mistakes. I always say in many of my videos that this is one of the biggest problem that many learners face. They think about others a lot, like what if they make mistakes and what if people judge about them regarding their English. So I remember one thing that 1 or 2 days back only, I was watching a video of mine, and I remember that I was speaking like a novice. I had no proper eye contact. I was making so many mistakes, and I laughed that time. But later on, I thought if I had not started earlier, or if I had thought about my mistakes a lot, then I would not be here, right? So just think about that things, like if you will think about others or making mistakes, you can't learn, because mistakes is always a part of learning journey. So once you will start your practice, so in the beginning you will make many mistakes, but fortunately by the time you will learn and you will rectify all your mistakes. So similarly I learned, so I can understand that you can also do that thing. So don't worry about your mistakes. Instead, focus on learning every new things every single day. So just do that thing. And third thing is, I always say again that people translate from their mother tongue. We always try to translate our sentences from our mother tongue to English, and that creates confusion. And because of that, we feel like I can't learn this language, because it is very tough to translate every single time when you are speaking to somebody, and that make you feel embarrassed also, like you are taking so much time to just translate. So what you have to do, just think in English, like try to narrate everything in English only. Don't think about the translation part. So yeah, in the beginning you might face difficulties to think in English, but once you will learn this, habit, or you can say this art, then you can definitely speak well. So in the beginning, I did the same things. I used to translate so many sentences in my head, then I used to deliver. But when I learned that thinking part, like I have to learn or I have to think every time in English only, so now it became my habit that now I can speak flawlessly, or you can say fluently as well. And the last thing I would say, lack of practice. Yeah, for example, you are speaking English once in a week, that is not sufficient. Even 10 to 15 minutes of speaking English every single day, that can create a biggest difference in your speaking journey. So don't waste your time, like one day you are doing practice and after that for few days you are just breaking your consistency. No, in this way you can't learn. So consistency matters a lot. If you have desire to learn anything, then you will have to be consistent, then only you can learn. So I still remember that I spent more than 3 years to learn this language, though I'm not very consistent because of some issues. You can say that I'm already in the job, so that's why. But I feel that if you put your efforts and you are consistent enough, so you can learn English very quickly as well. You can grab the thing very quickly, and you can become confidently very soon, or you can say as soon as possible. So yeah, that is the thing I wanted to share in this video. And like I said, that practice every day, try to speak every single day with yourself, or try to narrate everything that is surrounding you. Like for example, now if I have to share, so I can say that I'm recording my videos. After that, I will do my office work, and in the evening I have to go to the market to buy some vegetables, etc., etc. You can just try to narrate that. So in this way you can practice every single day. And yeah, that is in today's video. And I said that listening is important, but speaking is also equally important. To learn speaking comes from speaking only, but do that. So that is in today's video, and I hope this will helpful for you. And if you have any challenges regarding English, or you want to have conversation with me, you can send me an email, and I will definitely reply. So that is in today's video. Bye bye, and follow for more.